Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start a website, register a domain, or get affordable hosting in 2025, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share the latest Bigrock coupon codes and best deals so you can save big on your online projects. Stick around because I'll also drop a special link in the description that automatically applies the best discount. Now, let's be real, choosing the right domain and hosting provider is crucial. Bigrock has been a trusted name for years, offering affordable domains, hosting solutions, and email services to beginners and professionals alike. Here's why Bigrock is a top choice in 2025. Affordable hosting and domains, perfect for blogs, business websites, and portfolios. Free SSL certificates keep your website secure at no extra cost. Easy to use control panel, manage domains, emails, and hosting easily. One-click installations, WordPress and other popular apps installed instantly, 24/7 customer support, always available when you need help. Now let's talk about the latest Bigrock coupon codes for 2025. Bigrock 50, save 50% on hosting plans, domain-free, free domain registration with selected hosting plans, Big 10 off, extra 10% off on all plans, SSL free 2025, free SSL certificate with annual hosting plans. Bundle 20, stackable 20% discount on hosting plus domain bundles. Here's how to use your Bigrock coupon code. Click the special affiliate link in the description. It takes you directly to Bigrock's promo page. Choose your hosting plan, domain, or bundle. Enter one of the coupon codes at checkout or let the link automatically apply the best available discount. Complete your purchase and start building your website immediately. Pro tip, for the best long-term savings, consider annual or multi-year plans. They often give you the biggest discounts and lock in your price. So that's it. If you want to grab the best Bigrock deals in 2025, click the link in the description, apply your coupon code, and get started with your website today. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more hosting tips and money-saving hacks, and comment below with your website idea. I'd love to hear it. Remember, Bigrock makes starting a website easy, secure, and affordable. And with these coupon codes, you can get the best price possible in 2025.